Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your HUAWEI Freebuds SE2 on your Android device. And before we're starting, I wanna tell you that we can't use the Play Store to install this application, so we need to use a browser. Open your browser and then write HUAWEI AI Live. Now search and click at the first link. Right here we have install now, click on it also, and now we should be at the app gallery. Yeah, and right here we are here, so click install. Download via browser, but you can also install app gallery if you want to. I just don't need it. And then download. Now click at this APK file what you just install. Install. More details and install anyway. Select a region, and I don't recommend to use United States because you can have some trouble with this application. You just can't add this application, these earbuds. So choose something else. Let's say I wanna choose Ukraine, then click next, next, agree while using the app. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!